If you come into Pattaya, one place you must come and see is a place called Mini Siam. It's based on miniature structures from around the world, like the Eiffel Tower, Statue of Liberty, and you've got restaurants and you've got picnic areas. It's a great place to come and visit. It's a must-see. Well, I'm enjoying this Mini Siam. There's a lot to look at. It really is. It's really relaxing. I find it quite pleasant. Come at the right time of the day as well. It's getting a little bit cooler now. It's not been that hot actually today. It's warm, but it's very warm, but it's not very humid as like it usually is. But you can see how stunning it is. It's worth a little trip out here. If you're in Pattaya, definitely come and visit this place. If I were you guys, it really is. It's 300 baht, I think. In fact, it's 240 baht if you've got the Club app, right? If you've got the Club app, it's 240. If you buy the tickets on entrance, it's 300 baht. But it's worth it. It's inexpensive really. Most things are in Thailand. You come to these kind of attractions, they're not expensive. They're really cheap. I've been to many places in Thailand here now, and it's absolutely, I've never been disappointed really. I mean, the Sanctuary Troop is quite, alright, that's quite expensive. It's like a £10 for, but it's a good day out. There's a lot to see, there's a lot to look at. It's definitely worth having a look at. But you can see how beautiful it is. It really is. It's stunning. The sun's coming down lovely now. She's just getting a sexy man there. Look. There you go. Sorry. We're out of the way now. Anyway, some more lovely structures. The structures are incredible. God, I know it's been here quite a while, this Siam. I've always meant to come here because I've been coming to Thailand for a good few years now. I mean, it's been here God knows how long. I don't know how long when it was open, but I know it's been open a while because I've been coming to Thailand about 12-15 years, something like that, and it was open then. But you can see how it's really well maintained. The gardens are absolutely stunning. Everything about it, it really is. It's beautiful. Oh, look at that. Really beautiful. Let's go and explore. Let's go and have a look around here. Makes you want to go and visit these places now. You know, it really is. It's stunning. Makes you want to really go and visit them. It does. I'm looking for the plaque. It's also worth mentioning that if you stay late, you'll see all the structures light up, and it looks really pretty, and it looks stunning. It's worth the wait. If you do come to see Mini Siam, you could also kill two birds with one stone, because down the road is the Sanctuary of Truth, and which is not too far away. It's only 15 minutes in a car. different when the lights start to come on. It looks really pretty, it looks very good. I mean, just look at that. It's lit up quite well, it's beautiful. I'm not going to be staying much longer because we're going to go out tonight. We're off to meet Kev in Thailand. You can see how beautiful the structures are when it's lit up. Yeah, let's have a look at this. Who's that? Looks really different when it's lit up. It's absolutely stunning. Well guys, that was Mini Siam. Really enjoyed that. Brilliant. Looks different when the lights come on the buildings and that and the structures. Well, we're coming out and that was Mini Siam. Strange gates. Oh, she's there. And that was Mini Siam, guys. Very good, very interesting.